Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. I got two unboxings for you guys today. The first one is the limited edition Cyberpunk 2077 Xbox controller. And the second one is a Razer Wolverine Ultimate Gaming Controller for Xbox. Check it out. The first one I'm unboxing is the Cyberpunk limited edition controller. Let's go ahead and see what comes inside of it. Look at that. I like the detail they put into this. I mean, when you first open it, you think it's used because of all these scratches on it and all that, but that's actually part of the artwork on here. So yeah, the artwork here on this controller is inspired by the character of Johnny Silverhand, who is a character in the game. Has nice rubberized texture here. See what else it comes with. Just your user guide. Nothing really different from your other Xbox controllers, other than the artwork on here. So you could connect it with micro USB to USB cable, or by Bluetooth to your PC or your Xbox. On the box it says it's only compatible with the Xbox One, with the Xbox One S and the One X, but it's also compatible with the new Xbox Series S and the Xbox Series X. Let's put this one to the side and let's check out the Razer controller. That's the one I'm really excited about. So this controller here by Razer, it's made for Xbox and also PC. So if you game on PC, this will also work. Has full Razer Chroma RGB on it. Has extra thumbsticks and D-pads to customize it however you like. This controller also works on the Xbox One S, One X, the Xbox One, Xbox Series S, and the Xbox Series X. Got yourself a very nice carrying case here. Nice packaging as always with Razer. So you can see some of the features on the back of the box here. Has a bunch of extra buttons. You got your cable here. It's actually a pretty long cable. What is this, like 10 feet? Yeah, it's pretty long. The USB end right here. To your micro USB end. Control fluid is pretty heavy. Got your nice rubberized texture here. Got your triggers. Feels really nice actually, not bad. These are your trigger locks right here. So the way they designed this, they put the micro USB port all the way inside of here, so you only use the cable that comes from Razer itself. You get these extra thumbsticks right here. As you can see, it extends it out some more. All you gotta do is pop them off. Pop these right on. It's magnetic actually, so it's easy. Take this one off, let's put this one on. Same thing with this, this is magnetic. Just pops right off. Here you just, as you can see, I don't know if you can notice it. So what's cool with these controllers, you could set these buttons here and the ones back here to do different functions. It's mainly for competitive gamers and fast-paced gamers. This right here is to set up your buttons for different functions. This button right here is to map through the different profiles that you have set up already, depending on which game you play. You got your mute mic button here and your volume control, all for quick, easy access while you're gaming so you don't get distracted. This is the lighting effect on the controller. Uses Razer Chroma RGB. Very nice lighting. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing of Cyberpunk 2077 Limited Edition Xbox controller and the Razer Wolverine Ultimate Competitive Gaming Controller. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching.